Hello everyone, now let us discuss about anatomy of endocrine glands part 6. In the current session we will be discussing about pineal gland and thymus gland. Here you can see the pineal gland. This one is the pineal gland. Pineal gland mainly releases melatonin, which is a sleep hormone. The pineal gland, pineal means pine cone shaped. Pineal gland is a small endocrine gland attached to the roof of the third ventricle of the brain at the midline. Part of the epithalamus, it is positioned between two superior colliculi and has a mass of 0.1 to 0.2 grams and is covered by a capsule formed by the pia mater. Pineal gland is a part of epithalamus. The gland consists of masses of neuralgia and secretory cells called as pinealocytes. The pineal gland secretes melatonin, an amine hormone derived from serotonin. Pineal gland secretes melatonin, an amine hormone derived from serotonin. The melatonin appears to contribute to the setting of body's biological clock, which is controlled by the suprachiasmatic nucleus of the hypothalamus. As more melatonin is liberated during darkness than in the light, this hormone is thought to promote sleepiness. In response to visual input from the eyes, the suprachiasmatic nucleus stimulates sympathetic postganglionic neurons of the superior cervical ganglion, which in turn stimulate the pinealocytes of the pineal gland to secrete melatonin in a rhythmic pattern, with low levels of melatonin secreted during the day and significantly higher levels secreted at night. And during sleep, the plasma levels of melatonin increase tenfolds and then decline to a low level again before awakening. And small doses of melatonin given orally can induce sleep and reset the daily rhythms, which might benefit the workers whose shift altered between daylight and nighttime hours. And melatonin is also a potent antioxidant that may produce some protection against damaging oxygen-free radicals. In animals that breed during specific seasons, the melatonin inhibits the reproductive function, but it is unclear whether melatonin influences the human reproductive function. And melatonin levels are higher in children and decline with age into adulthood. Nevertheless, because melatonin causes atrophy of gonads in several animal species, the possibility of adverse effects on human reproduction must be studied before its use to reset daily rhythms that can be recommended. Here you can see the melatonin release in response to reduced light. Daylight causes inhibition, whereas night dark period causes stimulation. The suprachiasmatic nucleus SCN gets stimulated, and this in turn stimulates superior cervical ganglion, and these stimulate the pineal gland to release the melatonin. Now coming to thymus. Thymus is located behind the sternum between the lungs. The location of thymus is behind the sternum between the lungs. The hormones that are produced by thymus are thymosin, thymic humoral factor THF, thymic factor TF, and thymopiotin. They promote the maturation of T cells, a type of white blood cells that destroy microbes and foreign substances and may retard the aging process. Here you can see this is the thymus gland. These are the lungs and this is the thymus gland. This is the right lobe and this is the left lobe. These are septae and these are lobules. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for further videos on medical coding and CPC training.